हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू आवर चैनल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से हमारे चैनल पर। फॉर फ्यूचर अपडेट्स एंड फॉर फ्री प्रीमियम अकाउंट्स एंड एप्स, free Steam games and much more exclusive tips and tricks, join us on Discord and the link to that will be in the description below. If you want free premium accounts of different platforms, you can also go to our website, that is pbunified.blogspot.com. Today we are gonna show you how you can send your name to Mars for free from NASA. I know my voice feels a little different because I'm a little sick, so please bear with me. And as you guys know, we are now on Instagram. The link to our Instagram handle will be in the description. And we do multiple giveaways on our Instagram now. And to get to know about all the giveaways, you'll have to watch our reels and our IGTV videos. This is the recent giveaway. As you can see, GTA 5 Epic Games account giveaway. To know more about this, you'll have to watch the IGTV video first. Now the first thing that you have to do is go to your browser, any browser that you use, and search for send name to Mars. Search it and you can see this very first thread, that is send your name to Mars. And then you can just sign up and write down your first name. I'm gonna write PB and your last name, which is compulsory, so I'm gonna write Pbunified. And then you are just gonna select your country, your postal code, and write down your email. And then you just have to select if you want to subscribe to NASA's newsletter. And the next step is just click on send my name to Mars. Now your boarding pass is ready to go on Mars. As you can see, our name Pbunified, launch site, arrival site, scheduled department is for July 2026. It is quite legit. Now I'm gonna go back to send my name to Mars and show you Mars Mission 2020, Mars Human Mission 2020, and NASA's Send Your Name to Mars campaign invited people around the globe to submit their names to ride along on the rover. Total names submitted right now you can see here. And I'm gonna remind you guys once again about the giveaway, and we will provide you about all the necessary details once we hit 1k followers on our Instagram. So go and follow us today. And all of our other links are also available on our Instagram bio. With this, we'll be wrapping up today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video and comment down below what kind of videos you want us to make next. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to always stay updated.
Do you love me?